Today I'm going to talk about my MARX work train. It is one of my favorite MARX trains. I love the color of it, and it just has an appeal to me. So I have two engines, and the one I run in front is just a single reduction motor. I think somebody swapped the motor. And the next one that I run in tandem is a double reduction, which I can reverse and allow it to run like that. I made a coupler to fit the front, which allows me to hook it up. I did not buy all the cars. They are not a complete set, but I bought some cars one at a time, and others I fabricated from other MARX cars and painted them. Here is one of the repaints I made for the flat car on the work train, but these are actual MARX railings that I bought. The next car that custom car, it wasn't an Illinois Central, but I painted it black. I painted the diesel engine the yellow, and it works for me. The next car that I built from scratch was this work caboose, and the tank on here was a Niacet, and it was in real rough shape. So I cut it off, saved both ends, fit it back in, and used some ladders and made some mounts for it. And I did get a Illinois Central decal for here. I tried to match the color of the orange, which was difficult. I later, after all that work, I did come across the actual MARX work tender, and I was happy to get it. It is missing one ladder, but it's fine for me. I hope you enjoy the train run. Thank you.